SDK.finance. In the mobile application, clients can view a list of their company accounts. From this list, they can switch to a company account once the company has an approved status. After switching to the company profile, the client can view the company information provided during company creation. The client can also view the list of pricing plans available for the company and switch to a different pricing plan if needed. From the company profile in the mobile application, users can create new company accounts and perform financial operations. Creating a new company account follows the same flow as creating an individual account. The user needs to specify the account name and select the currency. A company can have multiple accounts in different currencies. For example, here we create two accounts, one in EUR and one in USD. Financial operations for company accounts work in the same way as for individual accounts. Users can top up accounts, make transfers, and perform withdrawals. To top up an account, the user selects the account and enters the top-up amount. One available option is a top-up via a provider. The user selects the provider to be used for the top-up, and after the operation is completed, the wallet balance is successfully topped up. The transaction then appears in the transaction list, and the account balance is updated by the specified amount. Another way to top up a company account is by creating a manual bank transfer request, also known as a top-up via bank. The user specifies the amount and selects the bank account to be used for the top-up request. Once the request is created, it must be approved by an accountant before the funds are credited to the company account. The third option is a top-up via a cash desk. The user selects the cash office and specifies the amount. After the request is created, it must be approved by a cashier for the account balance to be topped up. The application also supports transfers between company accounts, transfers from a company account to a client account, and transfers from a client account to a company account. Transfers between accounts belonging to the same company are also supported. To perform a transfer, the user specifies the destination account number, the transfer amount, and the reason for the payment. After approval, the transaction is completed and the transfer is executed from one company account to another. It is also possible to create a withdrawal request via bank transfer. To do this, the user specifies the IBAN for the withdrawal, enters the withdrawal amount, provides the reason for the payment, and specifies the recipient or company name. A SWIFT code or bank code can also be provided if required. Once the transaction is approved, the withdrawal via bank request is created and awaits approval from an accountant. Currency exchange operations are also available for company accounts in the mobile application. The flow is the same as for individual accounts. The user specifies the amount to sell and approves the transaction. After the exchange is completed, the operation appears in the transaction list, and the balances of the involved accounts are updated accordingly. The application also allows users to request funds for a company account. The user specifies the requested amount and the reason for the payment, and the application generates a QR code. Another client can scan this QR code using the application and top up the specified account with the requested amount. Withdrawals via a cash desk are also supported. The user selects the account to withdraw funds from, specifies the withdrawal amount, chooses the preferred cash office, and creates a withdrawal request. The request remains in a pending status until it is approved by a cashier. Company account management features are also available. Users can block, unblock, or close company accounts. Blocking an account works in the same way as for individual accounts. The user opens the account details and selects the block account option. The account can later be unblocked from the same account details screen by selecting Unblock Account. The application also provides access to the full list of transactions performed for the company. All transactions are displayed in a single view, with filtering options available by amount, account, recipient, date, and other parameters. This allows users to track the complete transaction history of the company at any time. Users can also open individual transactions to view detailed information for each operation.